Hi, my friends. Have a nice day. So I hope everyone is home and safe at this time. So just as you love me, I love you too. The first award I got from your love, it is not just for me. It belongs to all of you. So now I'm going to show you the YouTube silver play button. This is our victory. Let's unbox. First of all, thank you very much to YouTube institution for letting the whole world make such a connection. And we respect you with all our heart. I read all your comments. I answered them as best I could. I will do the same in the future. I don't think there is any distance between you and me because I think you all are my siblings. So I will do my best to give you something new and sweet to the ears. Hello friends, I have a special thing to say. It's a huge character behind the character Sudath Jayasinghe. She is my loving wife, Jayasinghe. I made this presentation because of her. So I give her my respect. There was another who waited for this gift without patience. He is my son, Sudath Jayasinghe. So, special thanks to my brother Ravindran Kumar, who has been very encouraging to me. Thank you very much. Finally, I want to say this to you all. That is, stay with me. Thank you very much and God